Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are fine. So, today we will discover about Adobe Firefly. So, I am in my Google Chrome and in the search bar I will search for Adobe Firefly. There it is. Adobe Firefly free native AI for creatives. I will click on it. And then a page open and I will get Firefly free. So I will click on it on free because we want to use it on free. Okay, the free version is opened and these are the AI tools, alternative AI links that are given in Firefly. We will use all of them one by one, but before using them, we have to sign in our account. So we will click on sign in. I have a Google ID, so I will sign or continue with Google. If you have not, so you can make your Google ID or you can sign in to Adobe accounts or you can create your own Adobe account. So I will continue with Google. So my account's open, so we will discover the first one, text to image. So this is the feature. If we write a text or prompt, it will be converted into an image. So let's do it. So what we can write in it? Oh, very difficult. So I'm writing here a skeleton walking on grapes. So let's generate it. So there text to image converts and it will take some time. So these are the images of our prompt. This is the image that is related to our prompt, which is a skeleton walking on grapes. Fantastic. I really like it. You can download it. You can download or edit it so you can use it where you want to use or you can save it. So this is the use, and you can also make it rotate, change it to landscape or change it to landscape, square, widescreen. This is up to you. You can also change the things that you want to change, like you want to convert its type to photo. You can convert its type to photo. You can convert its type to art. You can also do much of things. And here are color and tone. We can change its color and tone according to the picture and according to the need that we want to do. And we can also change lighting of the picture. We can change it to dramatic, golden, or much more. We can also change the composition, like we can give shadow to it. We can also use many of these effects. These are all effects, and then there are advanced settings. And but before going to advanced thing, we will discuss about effects. There are some popular effects and movement effects, theme effects, techniques, and much and many more effects in Adobe Firefly. We can use this painting effect. This like painting, act like a painting, make the picture of your PNG like painting. We can also use advanced settings which can change your image. Okay, but we are not doing it now. And we can also compare our picture to this picture, and we can measure the difference, and we can change it according to our needs. So this is the text to image, how you will write a prompt and image is converted. Like we have written a prompt like a skeleton walking on graves, and these pictures come. So we have discussed. We can also compare our picture to this picture, and we can measure the difference, and we can change it according to our needs. So this is the text to image, how you will write a prompt and image is converted. Like we have written a prompt like a skeleton walking on graves, and these pictures come. So we have discussed now about text to image. So next generative AI tools we will be discussing in our next video. So goodbye and wait for the next video. Allah Hafiz.